Here we have the oldest bridge over the River Nile, the train bridge, which is there. And
train bridge.
We have the train bridge, which is the oldest bridge over the Nile.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you don't have a chance to cross it.
Why?
Okay. You'll cross it another time.
Okay.
So you realize that the water here reacts different from where we came from. It's because there's deep waters here. But also, I want to tell you one funny story. Those rocks that were there are the creation of the name Jinja.
Hey.
There were rocks on the waterfall.
Okay.
So they were protruding out. But like the fishermen would come here and fish from there. Just the same way that rock still stands. Because at the time the Queen of England was Victoria. One guy was fighting with him. They wanted to win there, like rams. So he fell sick and did complete his journey. But Baker battled Nage and Arupayo. So they had interest in his story. Because the battle guy was fighting with him. They wanted to win there, like rams. So he fell sick and did complete his journey. But Baker battled Nage and Arupayo Baker. Yanjemede, probably kutuye yanjemede nawandika nebitali bituufu. So he handed in his journal. Now I'm handing in John Speaks journal. Now as he handed in the journal, that's when one of the publishers picked interest and realized, okay, this guy. Sometimes I wish I was back. I wish I were back. You swim, you fly, you walk,
I know, right?
you do everything.
And birds wish they were you. We could take a break from their daily swimming and flying and walking.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, over there to you, this is Amanya Jinja here. And I'm here to present to you the Bantu migration brought to you by the Bavubuka Concepts. Now, this is an activity that is going to take place on the 26th of this very month. We call the month Gatonya, up to the 29th of this very month. Now, remember we are setting off from Kampala all the way up to Dole Island. We are here